Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Officer Sada 24/7. My name is Amanjyot and today I am here with the information for all of you that what we are going to do from tomorrow onward. So as you can see on the screen, we have taken a topic that is saying that the clear your November 2022 JIB exam with PPP MCQ. So it is very simple to understand that we are starting an MCQ regarding your principles and practices of banking subject. So as we know, practice is must, but before getting practice, the MCQ, before going towards the MCQ practice, before doing topic wise test, or we can say the full length test, one important thing is that we have a conceptual understanding. We should have an understanding about the concepts regarding the PPB subject or any other subject, because if we do not know that what the actually concepts are saying, then it will be hard for us to attempt the paper and to uh, finalize our selection. Okay, so that is very important so that there will be a conceptual understanding. It's a very important task whenever we are preparing for any exam. Now if we talk about the PPB, principles and practices of banking, as we know, in the principles and practices of banking we are going to face 120 questions will be there. Okay, 120 minutes will be given and the marks will be 100 marks. Okay, this is the pattern of your exam, that 120 questions will be there, 120 minutes will be there, 100 marks will be there, and the questions will be divided into three parts or three patterns. For some questions will be of zero point 0.5 marks, that is around 70 questions. Some questions will be of your 1 mark, and that will be about 35 questions. Some will be your case study, that is 2 marks questions, that will around the 15 questions. Okay, so this is the pattern of principles and practices of banking, or if we talk about the AFB, or if we talk about the LRV. So this is the pattern of asking the questions in the JIB exam. So as we know, dates are already mentioned by IIBF. Our exam of PPP will be on 11th of November. Okay, and we have sufficient time right now. If we start from today onwards, or if you have already started preparing for the particular exam, then this is the right time to start. And why this is right time, we have discussed that also, because in the next attempt, in the May 2023 attempt, the syllabus is going to be changed. There will be 4 subjects in the JIB exam. Okay, so it is the opportunity for all of us that we have a sufficient time period right now to prepare the exam and to qualify the exam. So what we have to do, the first thing we have to do is to know the concepts. Concepts understanding is very important. After that, after having conceptual understanding, you have to practice questions according to topics. Okay, practice certain questions about the topic wise practice. Let's say for example, you have completed the money market, then you have to do at least 20 questions practice on this particular chapter, and these questions should be on every level. It means zero point 0.5 mark should be there, 1 mark should be there, and 2 marks should be there. So it is important that after understanding the concepts, you are going with the practice topic wise practice test. Okay, after that, in the end, full length test is important. And when you are giving the full length test, simultaneously do revise whole syllabus accordingly. So revision is must. It will be better for all of you. First, clear the conceptual understanding. After clearing the conceptual understanding, try to give practice test that will be of topic wise test. After that, it is important that you do weekly revision. Weekly revision is sufficient in the PPB subject because it's a very simple subject. The only problem in this particular subject is that it have a very huge syllabus. Okay, so what you have to do, you just have to go with the revision weekly. Once in a week, you have to revise whatever you have studied in the PPB subject. After that, when you have completed a certain chapters or certain modules, as we know there are 5 modules, apart out of these 5 modules, if you have completed 2 or 3 modules, start giving full length test. Okay, so after completing a certain modules, after completing a maximum number of topics, do make sure you are starting the full length test, because we know time management will not be the issue, negative marking will not be the issue. The issue you are going to face only is conceptual understanding. So it is better first understand the concepts, clear your concepts. After clearing your concepts, go with the practice test, because when you are doing practice of particular topic or full length test, then what we you will see, you will find that in which direction your preparation is going, how right you are, how correct you are while preparing for the particular subject. So it is important first to clear the concepts, and after that you have to practice to know where actually you stand, or how much time you, or how much efforts you have to put in a particular exam. Okay. Now, first of all, before going forwards, those candidates who are new to the Officers at a 24/7 channel, do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you, and you will find multiple videos on the Officers at a channel which is going to help you in maximum attempts, because we know that you need a certain maximum questions, and it's not easy to complete the syllabus or practice the questions from the offline mode or from the books, because books are not that much updated, that is online mode is okay. So it is obvious we have to practice multiple questions, and to have a multiple questions, to have a large number of questions to practice, you can attach, you can link with the Officers at 24/7 channel, and you will find all the three subjects MCQs are running already, or going to start from certain 1 or 2 days. So that will be very helpful for your preparation. Okay. Now, next thing, if you have not downloaded the 24/7 application yet, then do download the application, so that you will find all the upcoming batches notification, and also you will be able to join a particular batch for your exam. Now let's move. What we are talking about here is there are three subjects, that is PPB, Principle and Practices of Banking, Legal and Regulatory Aspect of Banking, that is LRB, and third is Accounting and Finance for Bankers, that is AFB. So all these subjects are very important. If you want to qualify these subjects in single attempt, you should have a 45 marks, minimum 45 marks in each subject. Okay, in each subject you should have 45 marks if you are going to give all the three subjects at the same attempt. Okay. And if, let's say for example, you have qualified the LRB, you have qualified the AFB, now only PPB is remaining, then minimum 50 marks should be required. Okay, this is the passing criteria for the JAIIB exam. Now all the three exams is already scheduled, as we know, already dates are given. Now first of all, if we talk about PPB, Principles and Practices of Banking, it has 5 modules. It has a very huge syllabus. Okay. But the thing is, you do not have to worry about the syllabus, because whatever syllabus is under the PPB, trust me, that is very simple to understand. That is very easy to understand. If you have a proper guidance, if you have a proper knowledge, if you are able to clear the concept, then this is the simplest subject. Okay. Now, why simplest subject? Because there are certain things in the Principles and Practices of Banking session or subjects which actually you are practically dealing with. Okay, when you are working in a bank, you are practically dealing with the practices of banking, you are practically dealing with the principles of banking. It is obvious, so it will be a very easy subject for all of you, but yes, it will be a very pretty huge syllabus for you to cover. So I would suggest start from today. Why you are waiting? Okay, why you are waiting when you know there is exam in November and you have to qualify this exam, and you have a sufficient time right now to prepare for this particular exam. So start it now. Why? What are you waiting for? Okay, and when we talk about the Principles and Practices of Banking, there are 5 modules, multiple chapters are there. There are certain modules which we should give more priority in comparison to others, or we can say when we are talking about Principles and Practices of Banking, module wise, there are certain important chapters which are very useful for your preparation. So go through the previous videos of on Officer 24/7, in which I have discussed that which topics are very important and which modules are very important. Okay, so you have to complete the whole syllabus. You do not skip. You can't skip any particular topic or any particular, what we can say, module. Okay, you can't skip any topic or any module. You have to cover everything. Thus the thing is, priority you should know. You should know to which particular module you should give priority, to which particular topic in a module you should give priority. So all the thing is related to the priority, because questions will be asked from everywhere. But there are certain chapters, there are certain modules from maximum number of questions will be asked. Okay, so you should know the priority when you're starting preparation for the exam. And next thing is, you have to cover everything. Do not skip any topic or any. Okay. Now, next thing is PPB MCQ series. From when it is going to start? It is going to start from tomorrow. It means from Wednesday, 13th of July, only on officers at 24/7 at 6:30 a.m. The sessions will be regularly from Monday to Saturday at 6:30 a.m. Do remember that. Okay. So it is starting from 13th of July, from tomorrow onwards, from Wednesday, 6:30 a.m. only on officers at 24/7, in which we will be covering easy to advanced level questions. Now, easy level questions will be of your point 0.5 marks question. Okay, then the moderate level, or the, we can say, the easy level questions. So after that easy level questions, moderate level questions will be of your 1 marks. Then we are going to have an advanced level questions, that is of 2 marks, which mainly covers your case study, which requires a maximum input from all of us. Why it is required maximum input? Because it's a kind of twist. You have to take the decision making understanding in those questions, that what should be the next step. You should know the principles of the banks according to which you have to take the decision. Okay, so first of all, the important part for today's session is that a PPB MCQ series is going to start from tomorrow onwards at 6:30 a.m. only on officers at 24/7. Okay, so do make sure you are aware about this particular sessions, and it is understand the question. Okay, we will read the question. After reading the question, what we are going to do, we will discuss the options. Okay, explained by me. Also, the questions concept will be explained by me. The topics concept will be explained by me. So not we are going just do we are not just going to do the MCQ and just read the question, read the options. This is right, correct. This is correct option, and move on. No, we will. Okay. So as I was saying that you have a very less time to prepare, so it become a kind of hard thing for you to find out the resources, then read by yourself, then find the questions by yourself, and then start preparing. Okay. So we are here in which we are going to discuss the concepts in form of MCQ pattern. So it will be very helpful for all of you, that in the half hour class you will be going to know about 10 to 15 concepts or 5 to 10 concepts. Okay, because MCQ will be from different modules, different MCQs, and that will be very helpful for all of you to understand a certain topic. Let's say I have taken one MCQ on letter of credit, second will be on balance of payment, third can be on foreign exchange reserves, fourth can be on your banker customer relationship, fifth can be on your copra. So it is always that when we are discussing the MCQs, you will have a multiple conceptual understanding about the topic. Okay, so this is what we are starting from tomorrow onwards on 13th of July, 6:30 a.m. only on offices at 24/7. Now, these are the questions which can be asked. Total 120 questions will be there, in which point 0.5 mark question will be there, 70 questions will be there. 1 mark questions will be there of 35 marks, and 2 mark questions will be there of 15. Okay. Sorry, 35 questions will be of 1 mark, 15 questions will be of 2 marks, and 70 questions will be of 0.5 marks. So we are going to practice all the three patterns of questions. Okay, all the three patterns of questions will be discussed in the MCQ series. Now, one important information for all of you is that 81% discount is running right now. You can opt very big. This is a very big opportunity for all of you. As we know, the upcoming batches are there. You can see that the English medium batch is starting from 25th of July, and the bilingual batch is starting from 18th of July. So these are the fresh batches in which you will get from the first class, in which the mentors are discussing what to do, how to do, and how we are going to cover. So you can join this particular batch from the introductions class, in which introduction will be given about the subject, about the preparation, and starting from 25th and 18th of July. So these are the fresh batches in which you will start your preparation with the zero level. Okay, now what you will get in these batches: 140 plus hours live classes will be there, 60 plus ebooks will be there of all the three subjects, 80 plus topic wise test is there. Okay, we have discussed that after understanding the concepts you have to go with the topic wise test. After that, recorded videos will be available 24 into 7. If you miss any class, then you will be able to see that particular class 24/7. That will be in the recorded form. Okay, But I would suggest you all that do make sure you are joining the class live, because when you are joining the class live, you will be interacting with your mentor, and when you are interacting with your mentor, it becomes very easy to understand the concepts. Okay, so this is what you have to do. This is what your preparation should be going on. Okay. Now, apart from that, there is a test pack in which full length test will be available. These are the full length test in which 50 plus total test will be available of all the three subjects, because it is a full length test now. So in the JIIB prime test pack, you will get 50 plus test total test, and it is also important. So it will be important for all of you. If you want to join a batch, you do not have sufficient time, you have not studied before, you have not given any attempt before, then this is the right time for you to join the particular batch, because you will be able to start your preparation fresh. Okay, with the mentors or with the other colleagues or friends or other persons who are starting the preparation. Now 81% discount is right now running. What you have to do, you have to use the code Y496. If you use this code, you will get 81% discount on any product on Adda 47 application. Okay, now how to enroll in a particular batch, how to go with the particular batch, let's discuss that. Let's see that. So first of all, you have to visit the Adda 24/7 application or website. You can go to the application or website also. But if you download the application and you purchase the batch from application, 1% additional discount will be there. Okay. So this is the Adda 24/7 application. You can see the JIIB CIIB section here. So go to the particular batch you want to enroll. Let's say there is a bilingual batch available. There is English batch is available. So you have to click on the English medium batch or bilingual batch, whichever batch you want to enroll, and you will find all the upcoming classes, all the upcoming batches on the website. And if you want to enroll in a particular individual exams or individual subject batch, you can do that, because there are many candidates who have qualified one or two subjects in an earlier attempt, and they are going for one or two subject only. So individual subject classes are also available. And if you want the whole batch, then you have to click on the batch. You will find all the details about this particular batch. As you can say, study plan is also there. Okay, so PPB is starting from 25th of July and your LRB is starting from 5th of September. Okay, now what to do, how to enroll, you have to go to the view offer, and after going to the view offer, to get 81% discount, you can use the code that is Y496. If you use this code here, you will find 80% discount, and if you uh, purchase this particular batch from Adda 24/7 application, you will get 1% additional discount. So this batch will be for you in 3000 only. Okay, so you will find that the with the 3100 rupee, after paying this, you will be able to qualify your exam, because all the three subjects will be included. So this is the discount which is running right now, might not be there tomorrow. So do not wait for starting your preparation. Do not wait to enroll in a particular batch if you have decided that you need a help in the preparation. Okay, and if you want test pack also, you want full length test also, I would suggest just go with the Mahapack. If you go with the Mahapack, you will find everything in a single product. Let's say we have to purchase the Mahapack, so you have to go on the JIIB CIIB Mahapack. Here the individual Mahapacks are available, or the combined Mahapack is also available. If you are only willing that right now I want to only focus on JIIB, just go to the JIIB ka Mahapack. Each and every batch which is running on Adda 24/7 application will be available in your account. You can watch any particular batch here. Okay, and how to enroll here, you will find test packs also here, you will find ebooks also here, everything will be available. You do not have to go for individual, like you can see all live classes there, all mock test series will be there, video solution, video lectures will be there, revision batches will be there, everything will be there, ebooks will be there, numerical batches will be there. Okay, your case study batches will be there. So this is the thing which this is the product in which everything will be available very soon for all of you. Okay, now what to do, just go on the view offer. After going to the view offer, you can use the same code, that is Y496. If you use this code, you will find 80% discount here, and if you purchase the same code, same product from our 24/7 application, 1% additional discount will be. Okay, so this product covers everything related to the JIIB running on a 24/7 application. So this is how we are here to help you all about your preparation and to finalize your selection or to finalize your exam to be clear in the next 6 months or in the November attempt. Okay. So this is all for today's session. Do not forget to join the MCQ series for tomorrow onwards only on Officers at a 24/7 channel at 6:30 a.m. Do not forget to join that. Okay, this is the important information for all of you that the PPB MCQ series is starting from tomorrow. So do make sure you all are there and also share the session with your friends and colleagues who are preparing for JIB exam so that they will be available there only. Okay, because when there is a more competition, it creates more what we can say, it become more entertaining to participate in the sessions. Okay, so do share the session with your friends and colleagues who are preparing for JIB exam. Last but not the least, if you are new to the Officer Study 24/7 channel, do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you all for joining the session and stay safe.